Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today I'm sharing my facial care routine with you. And as you can see that at first I show a new retroactive cleanser. I just take small quantity of the cleanser and little bit water I take and then massage my face in a circular motion, and after that my neck. Then I just wipe it off all the product, and then I'm using the Oriflame exfoliating scrub, which is my favorite, and this scrub is so good. And also maybe I used this scrub since 6 years. Yeah, more than 5 or 6 years. And if you can see, I just scrub around my nose area and lower lip area where we can see lots of blackhead and whiteheads. So rub it for 4 to 5 minutes, and when you think that it's dry you can add little bit water again and then rub. And then again I just wiped it off all the products. And then the third step is detan, which is from Raga. I'm just using it the help of with the help of this brush, and then just leave it for 10 minutes, not more than that, because it also can burn your face, so don't leave it more than 10 minutes. So yeah, I'm just applying this all of my neck and face, and as I told you, for 10 minutes only, and then after 10 minutes you just wiped it off nicely. And then the fourth step, which is again my favorite, it's a free man exfoliating scrub plus mask, which is from again Avon, and this is so good. And also one thing, that when you apply this mask you can feel some warm feeling on your skin, and it's natural, so don't need to think about it. So yeah, after using it you don't need lots of product, you just need some product, and after that you leave it for 15 to 20 minutes only, and then cleaned it very nicely. And after cleaning just see the glow already. And after that the toner we need to apply, and I really like to apply toner like this. And after applying toner you just need to leave it for 2 minutes, and after 2 minutes I use a new vitamin C serum, and it's a magical serum. You can see the instant glow after using this serum. As you can see the glow, it's really nice. And also I want to share one extra thing. which is like whenever you are doing your like facial at home, just try to do it at night. And then the next part is night cream. A new night cream. This is a high range night cream and it's really good for who have acne marks or any kind of blemishes. It's just magical. Just you need to consistent. You need to put it regularly. You need to do your skincare regularly, and then you can see the glow. And then the next step, which is lip balm, and it's my favorite lip balm. I mean, 365 days I need lip balm, and this lip balm only. And then this is the eye cream, which is from Oriflame, and it's also a good eye cream. And just take a little bit of amount, and then in a circular motion, you'll just dab it. So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching my video.